In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Universal Stylus Pen to Redmi Pad Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have one of these Universal Stylus Pen that either states Universal or simply Stylus Pen, then using it in conjunction with your Redmi tablet is extremely simple. In fact, these sorts of styluses don't require any sort of setup. So, as you can see here from this product image, it doesn't require a Bluetooth connection. Of course, if you notice that yours has a label related to Bluetooth or something similar, then the instructions are going to be different. But for most of these universal stylus pens that you can find on places like eBay and Amazon, usually going for $9.99, they will not require any sort of connection. So all that you have to do is power it on. This is the important thing. They will either have a dedicated physical button, so this one from Amazon has this button that you use to turn on or off, and the LED will light up, but this one will be using a sensor at the top. So as soon as you tap this sensor, you will see the LEDs light up, indicating that it is now usable. And as I said before, you don't need to spend time setting it up. These pens are designed to work natively in any sort of tablet. So unlike something like an S Pen, which requires you to pair it up with a Samsung tablet, these ones will work flawlessly across all devices. They are essentially a replacement for your fingers, so that's why they won't have advanced features like palm cancellation and pressure touch and so on. They are a simple stylus pen that you can use, and you will be able to find them in all sorts of colors. You can change the nibs, and that's about it. Remember to charge it using the USB cable, and as soon as you power it on, it is usable. There is no connection required. You don't need to use Bluetooth. You don't need to use a cable. You don't need to download any sort of application. As I've said before, if you notice that your stylus differs from these ones that are called universal, then you will most likely have to do a setup process, so just follow the instructions either by downloading an application or by enabling Bluetooth. But for these particular models, it's as simple as powering it on with a physical touch or a button and then using it on any tablet. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Universal Stylus Pen to Redmi Pad Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.